Hello everyone. One of the technologies that emerged from Gartner hype cycle in the last 5 years is web services based business models. Here I'm going to talk about how web services based business model has helped IFTTT grow up the success ladder. From the Gartner's hype cycle, this technology entered the plateau of productivity in 2011 and is continuing its journey still. This model has been very successful and the era of cloud computing has given a boost to web services based business models. It is currently in use in a large portion of web-based applications which we daily use like Facebook, Office 365, etc. So what is web-based services? A web service is any application that makes itself available over the internet. It can be accessed from any web browser on any device. So this is a versatile solution. A standard data representation format is used for communication between the client and server. Any device which accesses the web service can be called the client, and the cloud engine where the application is running is referred to as server. So what is IFTTT? IFTTT is a free web-based service which helps do tasks on basis of conditional statements called recipes, which are triggered based on changes to other web applications connected to it. IFTTT is an abbreviation for if this, then that. In simple words, IFTTT links different internet-connected devices and services together through a beautifully simple concept, if that, then this. These links consist of two elements, the trigger and an action. For example, if your home security camera detects a movement in your home, which is the trigger, you can receive an email, tweet, or any other warning, which is the action here. So what is the context and problem space of this innovation? People spend so much time online doing the same job in multiple social networks, like changing the profile picture in Facebook, Google+, and Instagram. There was no method to connect all these together. Most of the online jobs includes repetitive tasks which would save a lot of time if it is made automated, like setting the calendar appointment whenever an email comes for some function. There are thousands of web services available in the internet and there was no medium of interconnectivity. IoT became very popular, but it couldn't be controlled by any other application other than the manufacturer provided one. These above problems created a space for a service like IFTTT where all the web services can be interconnected to perform condition-based tasks to make life easier and save time. Now let's see the business and social value of IFTTT. IFTTT still works as a free app with no freemium services. It is running entirely on investments and does not support any ads. Web-based businesses utilize IFTTT platform to connect to a wide range of other services. This has saved them a lot of headache of providing separate APIs for these services. Some small businesses use IFTTT as a syndication network with which they post the contents of their main website is shared across a wide network. This helps them climb up the ladder in Google search results. Currently, there are more than 10 million people of IFTTT and 1 million tasks has been created. IFTTT has helped people to automate their tasks and save time. Different IoT devices from different manufacturers can talk to each other through the platform now, which has helped in home automation and industrial automation. Many users find IFTTT useful in managing their social medias. They have interconnected their social media accounts with IFTTT, which has helped them to save time. IFTTT runs on web services which can be used by product owners to connect their APIs and provide access to their service. For example, Android can give access to their SMS API to third-party services using IFTTT. So, a user can set an SMS to be received when the weather report says it's going to rain. IFTTT is a web-enabled business model which enhances the functionality of multiple products across various areas by interconnecting them based on some conditions. Why are web services successful? Web services have common standards which help them in interconnection. This makes it easier for B2B integration. Web services reduces the integration cost since all follow the same structure and common data standards. They are dynamically described, so this helps systems to upgrade automatically. Web services uses the same technology existing today and forms a more powerful system. So what are the innovation results for IFTTT? IFTTT was founded in December 2010 as a beta product. In September 2011, Tibet's the co-founder announced the official website for IFTTT was open to all. By April 2012, that's 1 year after it was released, 1 million tasks has been created in IFTTT. In July 2013, IFTTT for iPhone was released. In June 2012, the service entered the Internet of Things space by integrating with Belkin Wemo devices, making it one of the most valuable IoT companies around the world at an approximate value of $170 million. In February 2015, IFTTT launched 3 more new applications which again added to its success. IFTTT has more than 500 channels now, that is 500 web services connected to IFTTT. The number of users have crossed 10 million and there are more than 5 million tasks created on IFTTT now. More than 10 million downloads of the IFTTT apps have been done through Android Play Store and Apple App Store.